Before you reach for your phone, pause. Stay where you are for a moment. Feet on the floor. Press them down gently. Notice your jaw. Let it soften. Let your shoulders drop slightly. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Longer breath out through your mouth. Again. Longer out than in. Good. Now ask yourself quietly, what actually needs my attention today? Not everything, just one thing. Choose it. Let the rest wait. You don't have to begin the day reactive. You can begin deliberate. When you pick up your phone, do it on purpose. Respond. Don't rush.